20 sentences that'll make you more money than a 4-year business degree. 1. People buy with emotion, then justify with logic. 2. Sell the transformation, not the product. 3. Tell prospects your price, then shut the fuck up. 4. It's easier to sell an offer that solves a pain than one fulfilling a desire. 5. Whatever business you're in, study psychology, cognitive bias, and body language. 6. If your offer has a solid guarantee, it'll result in more sales than refunds. 7. Memes are one of the most powerful forms of marketing. 8. Copywriting is 80% research, 20% writing. 9. Your service product should meet demand, not try to create it. 10. People don't care about your offer, only what your offer can do for them. 11. Using pictures for written testimonials will make them more believable. 12. You don't need a $2,000 MacBook Pro, $967 logo, or an $87,000 degree to start a business. 13. You become wealthy by becoming valuable, then becoming scarce. 14. Quantify the time frame of your offer. 15. The market isn't saturated. Your offer just sucks. 16. You can be terrible at sales calls if you have a great offer. 17. There's no such thing as too high of price, only too little value. 18. Specific words and numbers are more believable than broad ones. 19. A happy customer is the most powerful form of marketing. 20. Sales is about listening.